Ku-2025 guys, ndihleli apha nomtimandi. Lo bhuti lona guys, kunini ndimfuna and into endimfunela yona. Unalanzonzobila yokukholelwa kakhulu esintwini, yokukholelwa kakhulu esithenjini. Into endihlala ndithetha ngayo apha ekhaya. Andimazi ke ngo-2025 abantu bayatshintsha babe ne-New Year's resolution. Mhlawumbi akasabethi ngalotshuni. Ndicela uba uzazise kubantu abasibukeleyo njengangoko.
Siyakhuleka nina besilo. Nina bakaphunga noMageba. Usibingelele nanonke ke eniphuma kwezinye izizwe nezinye igodi. Because I believe this show is listened watched by different
people,
cultures, races, and
definitely,
so
definitely. And they always complain others. Uguti, we would love to watch your show, but it's a language barrier.
We greet you all. I don't think I have enough data bundles for English, but I will try there and there. Lo bingelelayo umziwe intombi sokale iphala phala usifuba sifudumele sitofontofo zonke into kaziyafisa uqhamela kusona. Mfana buza udadweni uzongifakazela ingani naye nje uyafisa uqhamela kusona bathi isikutshana esincane u330 mil kodwa siyaqeda uko. Inkosi ayiqedwa nto.
Hayi ke nizivele bethuna kuthiwa nodadweni uyarhalela ke bethuna uyasaba well. Ubuyaphi Mtimanda?
Ikhaya lisenyoni Khahlela. Ikhaya
yini Nyoni Khahlela? Newcastle.
Yeah. eBlancas, eBlabosh ikula ikhaya likhona. La inkabi khona.
And then isigodi inansika kalophela nenibize no. Okay, nibize nenkosi zenu phela niphakamise nenkosi zenu.
Ngikhasela zikhe igodi.
Inkosi zenu
Blabosh.
And then inkosi eniphetheyo ngubani?
Ngiqedile lapho ntombi.
Okay, ke ngoku ke uMtimande ngutata ndifuna ukwazi uba umama ngowaphi yena uzalwa apho mama? Ungumabani mamakho?
Umama ongizalayo. uMasheng sokalisa umnyamane kaNgqengelele. Ozalwa uMamnguni. Umama ma beyuxoxa umlando imvelaphi yabo kusesinquthu la uvela khona. Angazi noma bayazi ukuthi wasesinquthu sezwe enquthu ke abanye bathi kusenquthu. Kodwa ke ngokufuduka bagcine sebeyithola besezola.
Okay.
So umama is born and bred ingane yaselokishini. Yeah, sister laseGasi.
This is so interesting. I know nawe ungumuntu okhulele eZola. What made you to be so rooted in your culture and the texture of language yakho, like awukaze wasilahla isiZulu? Even ukhuluma awuzwakali njengomuntu ophuma elokishini.
Okay, the glimpse of iZola, the glimpse of iSwaneville. Ngizule kakhulu empilweni yami.
Okay.
But ngizalwa insizwa. Ngizalwa ubaba uNdukuzempi.
Ndukuzempi.
Yeah, umshizo ocela ngentelezi. He's someone who was deep rooted in culture. I remember growing up even though Baba never completed his schooling, but there were days whereby we would have a board. Is it a chalkboard? Nale yasekhaya. Yeah, a chalkboard. Ekhaya.
Okay.
Whereby we would be taught isiZulu.
Nani thatha phi chalkboard? Wayinto nje
phi?
Oh. Phela kudala kwakuntshontsha ubona namadesk asesikolweni ekhona ekitchen ekhaya.
Hayi ke mina ingizalwa yini insizwa mawungababuza nje nalapha kule strato ngazi ngihlala kusona.
Block 9.
Mawungababuza impela ubabuze ngale ndoda yayisambrela but indoda yenduku. That's one guy. He maybe one day I would have to be like him. the most respected and humble guy I know.
And then what makes you think that when you are not respected, as with one day ungafuni ufana naye?
I don't think sengifikile kwi-level yakhe.
Okay.
Kona nginaso leso sithunjana isithunzi nje singatheni ngiyahlonipheka hayi phela ke nale impande engiyihlafunayo nazo ziyeza ukuthi angeke uvele nje ungigibele ekhanda.
How important it is ukuthi umuntu ongumuntu omgquba uba mayibe ngumuntu njengoba you mentioning indaba zempande. Last time bendinothokozane wase block 7. Uthi uThokozane akayi-understand lento yabantu abangabantu, abantu besilo, abantu bomgquba bengakholelwa emahlamvini, obangakholelwa kwi-herbs, ngoba i-herbs zindalo njengokuba nathi isihlahla sisidinga nesihlahla sidinga thina. Wathi eyona nto eye yenze iyeza lingalungi ngamazwi aye athethelwe phezu kwawo, kodwa alikho iyeza elibi emhlabeni. And how important it is njengabantu abamnyama to do that, uba uphilisane namahlamvu.
I'd love to agree with him. In fact, I agree with him. Umuthi, what matters is how and what you use it for.
Okay.
So what makes it good or bad? It's indlela osebenzisa ngayo.
Kodwa umuntu ongumuntu womgquba kuyafuneka uba aphilisane namahlamvu.
Imvelo. It brings you closer to your real being. Uboke uphume kumsindo uye la kunezihlahla nenyoni. Uma khona ekuhluphayo uhlale nje mangabe unechance unidlale phansi ulale nje. Ulalela imvelo ikhuluma nawe ubone ukuthi angeke ubuye nezimpendulo zalento ehluphayo.
Ke ngoku njengoba abanye ke ngobe exaggerate bezibiza nge-atheist mntakabawo bencamisa izihlahla, ilimit yayo yonke lento lena yokumeditate iphelela phi, okanye it goes with an individual person?
Angikafinyeleli lapho, so angizukukhuluma ngento engakafiki kuyona. Kodwa mina ngithi imvelo iwubuwena, imvelo futhi iphethe impendulo zakho konke zayo yonke into ekuhluphayo noma oyifisayo. Imvelo isondelele nalaba abaphethe impilo yakho, so it's very important to listen to nature. It's very important to nurture nature.
It's important to nurture nature.
Ngazi phela lesilungu.
Ngikuzwile.
Bazongijaja bangijaja nami. Angisazi kahle bafethu. But ke it's important